Hello everyone and welcome! Today we're embarking on a journey to cultivate not just thriving plants, but also the joy and peace that come from connecting with nature. Each chapter holds a special secret to unlock your inner gardener. Dreaming of a thriving garden but don't know where to start? Many have felt overwhelmed, unsure of where to begin. But just like tidying, gardening is about progress, not perfection. These 10 gardening hacks will change the game for you, even if you're a total newbie. Let's begin, shall we? Let's start with the heart of your garden, the plants. For beginners, I recommend starting with herbs, tomatoes, and lettuce. Imagine stepping out to your garden, snipping fresh basil for your pasta, or picking a sun-ripened tomato, still warm from the day's sunshine. Herbs, in particular, have this incredible ability to transform a meal with their vibrant flavors and aromas. Tomatoes are another wonderful choice for novice gardeners. And lettuce. Well, nothing beats the crisp freshness of homegrown salad greens. As you nurture these beginner-friendly plants, you'll develop a deeper understanding of their needs, building your confidence for more adventurous gardening endeavors. Just as a tidy home provides a sense of calm, healthy soil lays the foundation for a thriving garden. Think of the soil as the soul of your garden, the very essence from which life springs forth. Before you even think about planting, take some time to connect with your soil. Run your fingers through it, feel its texture, and observe its color. Start by removing any weeds or debris, gently loosening the soil with a garden fork or cultivator. Next, enrich the soil with Compost Nature's Black Gold. Compost adds vital nutrients, improves drainage, and promotes beneficial microbial activity. Remember, healthy soil is the cornerstone of a thriving garden. Composting allows us to transform kitchen scraps into a valuable resource for our gardens. Instead of throwing away food waste, we can repurpose it to enrich our soil and promote healthier plant growth. Imagine a system where banana peels, eggshells, and other organic waste, and coffee grounds, instead of ending up in landfills, are transformed into nutrient-rich black gold. This process not only reduces waste, but also creates a sustainable cycle of growth and renewal. Composting is nature's way of recycling, breaking down organic matter into a valuable soil amendment. Microorganisms and worms play a crucial role in this process, turning waste into a rich, dark compost that can be used to nourish plants. You can use a designated compost bin, which comes in various shapes and sizes to fit your needs. A simple pile in a corner of your yard, which is an easy and cost-effective method, or even a small container under your sink for kitchen scraps. This is perfect for those with limited space or who live in apartments. The key is to maintain a balance between green materials like vegetable scraps, which provide nitrogen, and brown materials like dried leaves or shredded paper, which provide carbon. This balance ensures that the compost breaks down efficiently and doesn't produce unpleasant odors. Composting not only benefits your garden by improving soil structure and fertility, but also aligns with a mindful approach to living. By composting, we reduce our environmental footprint and contribute to a healthier planet. So start composting today and turn your waste into wonder. Our gardens can benefit from everyday treasures often discarded. Eggshells, coffee grounds, even banana peels hold hidden potential to nourish our plants and reduce waste. Eggshells are a fantastic source of calcium, essential for strong cell walls in plants. Coffee grounds are a rich source of nitrogen, an essential nutrient for leafy green growth. Even banana peels, rich in potassium, can be chopped up and buried near the roots of your plants. By incorporating these simple practices into your gardening routine, you're not only reducing waste, but also creating a closed-loop system. It's a beautiful way to connect with nature and cultivate a garden that thrives on both love and resourcefulness. Our gardens thrive on regular watering. One of my favorite watering hacks involves repurposing plastic bottles. Simply poke small holes in the bottom of a plastic bottle, fill it with water, and bury it neck down near your plants. This creates a slow-release watering system, delivering water directly to the roots. Another simple yet effective technique is using a soaker hose. Mulching is another fantastic way to conserve moisture and reduce watering needs. Apply a layer of organic mulch, such as shredded bark or straw, around your plants. By incorporating these simple hacks, you can ensure your plants receive the hydration they need while simplifying your gardening routine. A Equipping yourself with essential gardening tools can transform your gardening experience. A good pair of gardening gloves is essential for protecting your hands. A kneeling pad provides cushioning and support as you tend to your plants. A hand trowel is a must-have for digging, planting, and weeding. Pruning shears are essential for maintaining the shape and health of your plants. Choose pruning shears that are sharp and easy to handle. As you gather your gardening tools, choose items that spark joy when you hold them. These tools are not merely instruments, but extensions of your intention to cultivate a beautiful and thriving garden. Finding the perfect location for your garden is crucial for its success. Sunlight is the lifeblood of plants, so choosing a location with adequate sunlight is paramount. Most vegetables and flowering plants require at least 6 hours of direct sunlight per day. Consider the wind patterns in your yard. Water access is another important factor to consider. Once you've considered these practical aspects, take a moment to connect with the space. Choose a spot that sparks joy, a place where you feel connected to nature and inspired to nurture growth. Each plant has its own story to tell, a unique narrative that unfolds through its growth and needs. Its own preferences for sunlight, water, and nutrients are like the chapters of a book, each one essential for its well-being. Some plants thrive in full sun, basking in the warmth and energy it provides, while others prefer the dappled shade, finding comfort in the cooler, filtered light. Some require frequent watering, while others prefer their soil to dry out between waterings, needing a balance that mimics their natural habitat. Start by researching the specific requirements of each plant you're growing. Dive into gardening books, use apps, and gather as much information as you can. Observe your plants regularly, noticing any changes in their appearance or growth habits. Pay attention to the subtle signs they give you. Are their leaves turning yellow or brown? These could be signs of nutrient deficiencies or overwatering. Are they wilting or drooping? This might indicate a need for more water or perhaps a change in their environment. As you spend time in your garden, walking among your plants and tending to their needs, you'll develop a deeper understanding of your plant's language. You'll start to recognize their signals and respond accordingly. By approaching our gardens with curiosity and attentiveness, we open ourselves to learning and growing alongside our plants. We can create a thriving haven where our plants feel cherished, and in return, they reward us with their beauty and vitality. We can cultivate a harmonious balance in our gardens, protecting our plants from pests without resorting to harsh chemicals. This approach not only ensures the health of our plants, but also contributes to a more sustainable and eco-friendly gardening practice. One of the most effective ways to deter pests is by attracting beneficial insects to your garden. Ladybugs, lacewings, and praying mantises are natural predators that feast on common garden pests. These insects help keep the pest population under control, reducing the need for chemical interventions. Ladybugs, for instance, are known to consume aphids, which are notorious for damaging plants. Lacewings, on the other hand, target a variety of soft-bodied insects, while praying mantises are versatile hunters that can tackle larger pests. Planting a variety of flowering plants can attract these beneficial insects. Flowers such as daisies, marigolds, and sunflowers are particularly effective in drawing in these helpful creatures. The more diverse your garden, the more likely you are to attract a range of beneficial insects. Companion planting is another natural pest control method. By strategically placing certain plants together, you can create a symbiotic relationship that deters pests. For example, marigolds are known to repel nematodes and can be planted alongside tomatoes to protect them. Neem oil, derived from the seeds of the neem tree, is a natural insecticide. It works by disrupting the life cycle of insects, preventing them from feeding, breeding, or growing. Mix a few drops of neem oil with water and spray it on your plants. This solution is effective against a wide range of pests, including aphids, whiteflies, and spider mites. Regular application can help keep your garden pest-free. By embracing natural pest control methods, you're fostering a healthy ecosystem where beneficial insects thrive. This not only helps in keeping your garden vibrant and productive, but also supports biodiversity and the overall health of the environment. Each season offers unique opportunities for growth, reflection, and renewal. Spring is the perfect time to start seeds indoors, preparing for the warmer months ahead. As the soil warms and the days lengthen, transplant your seedlings outdoors. Summer is a time for abundance, as our gardens overflow with fresh, flavorful produce. Autumn brings a sense of tranquility as the days grow shorter and the leaves begin to turn. Plant cool season crops like lettuce, spinach, and kale. Winter offers its own unique beauty and opportunities for gardening. By embracing the rhythms of nature, we can cultivate a year-round connection with our gardens. As we conclude our journey together, I hope you feel inspired to embark on your own gardening adventure. Remember, gardening is a journey, not a destination. Start small, experiment, and don't be afraid to make mistakes. Hit the like button if you found these hacks helpful, and subscribe for more beginner-friendly gardening content. Savor the feel of the sun on your skin, the scent of freshly turned soil, the vibrant colors of blooming flowers. Stay tuned until the end for a surprising tip that will make your gardening journey even more enjoyable.